If you cannot protect your life on earth, how will you protect your soul? Your bank balance, your health, your family. These are not distractions from spirituality. They are the first battlefield of your dharma. I'm Murthy Aduri, and today I'm going to tell you something that no one else in the insurance industry will tell you. Life insurance is not a financial product, it is a spiritual act. And if you are a householder or a homemaker or basically one running your family, a grihastha, it is not optional. It is your dharma. It is your duty. And this brings us to the lie we are told. We are told a big lie, a big one. We were told that spirituality means renouncing the world, that a real seeker should not care about money, that worrying about your family's future is attachment. I believed this lie for years. I was confused, I was stuck. I thought my financial struggles meant I was somehow more spiritual. Then I discovered the truth. In Sanatana Hindu Dharma, the Grihastha ashram, or the householder stage of life, is considered the foundation of all other stages. The brahmachari, the vanaprastha retiree, the sannyasi renunciate. They all depend on the grihastha. The grihastha feeds them, protects them, funds the temples, supports the dharma. You cannot feed a sadhu if you are starving. You cannot fund a temple if you are bankrupt. You cannot protect children if you die without a plan. Poverty is not holiness. Poverty is irresponsibility. The first step out of that irresponsibility is to protect what you already built. Let me give you a simple formula. I call it the math of love. And ask yourself these four questions. Question one is, if you die tonight, who depends on your income? Your spouse, your children, your aging parents. Write the names. How much money? The second question is, how much money do they need per month to live with dignity? Not luxury, but with dignity, which covers the rent or mortgage or food, school fees, etc., medicine, all the basics. Write that number. Now, three, how many years will they need that support? Until your children finish their education or until your spouse can stand on their own feet when you're not around? Write those numbers, number of years. And four, simply multiply monthly need, the number, times 12 times number of years. That number, that is how much life insurance you need. Now, if you need 500,000 and you have, let's say, 100,000 coverage, you have not protected your family. You have given them a false promise, a cruel one, because they will run out of money exactly when they need it most. This is not about fear. This is about love. When you truly love someone, you do not leave their future to chance. You do not say, God will take care of them. God gave you the intelligence and the opportunity to buy a policy to protect your income. That is how God takes care of them, through your responsible action. Now, coming to term versus permanent, the dharmic view. People ask me, Murthy, term insurance on or permanent insurance? Let me make this simple for you. Term insurance is pure protection. You pay a small amount. If you die within the term, say 20 years, 30 years, your family gets the full amount of the benefit. If you live, the policy ends. It's like renting protection. Permanent insurance, on the other hand, also called as whole life or universal life or IUL, is protection plus a savings component. You pay more, but you also build the cash value. It lasts your entire life. It's like owning protection. Which one is Dharma? Both, but for different stages of life. If you are young, building your career, have dependence on but limited income, then the term insurance is your Dharma. Get the maximum coverage for the lowest cost when you're young because it's easy to get it. Protect your family now. Do not wait. If you are established, have and to combine protection with legacy building, then permanent insurance becomes your Dharma. It ensures that no matter when you die, your family receives the benefit. But here is what I tell everyone: do not let the confusion between the term and the permanent become an excuse to buy nothing. A man who dies with the term policy has protected his family. A man who dies while still researching has betrayed them. Buy term today. You can always convert or add permanent later. Action beats analysis, always. I teach four pillars of Dharma. Pillar one is to protect. This is where we are today, the life insurance part, the foundation rather. The pillar two is build. Wealth creation as a spiritual discipline, building capacity to serve more. Pillar three is legacy planning, which is the estate planning, wills, trusts, and how to die well, basically. Pillar four is live. So, using the financial freedom to meditate more, serve more, sit with the guru, or take that trip you always postpone to spiritual places or any other vacations or holidays. Experience life without the noose of scarcity around your neck. But pillar one comes first. You cannot build wealth if one tragedy can wipe out everything. You cannot plan a legacy if your family will be homeless the day you're gone. You cannot live, truly live, if you are terrified of dying. Protection is the foundation, everything else is built on top of it. So here's my question to you, the person who is watching this right now. Do you have life insurance covered? And if you do, is it enough? If the answer is no, or if you do not know, then the first spiritual practice tomorrow morning is not meditation, not gratitude, nothing. It is not chanting. It is it is not reading the scripture. It is making one phone call, getting one quote. Take one step to protect your life on earth. Because a protected man can meditate. An unprotected man is just pretending. Again, this is Murthy Aduri. I teach life wisdom, the intersection of financial dharma and spiritual truths. And this channel exists for one reason: to wake up the householders to their true responsibility. Not to escape the world, to protect it. If this message moved something in you, please subscribe. Share it with one person you love, because protecting your family is not a private act, it is a teaching. When you do it, you give permission for others to do it too. In my next video, I'll teach you exactly how to calculate your insurance need, the full method, step by step. Do not miss it. Until then, protect your life on earth first. Everything else follows. Nityanandam. Jai Kala Bhairava.